Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. So for today's video, we are going to show you how to hide your Shopify store from public. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you actually hide your store from the public when you've already published your store? Well, this one is kind of simple because we only need to lock our store here and add a password. So what we need to do first is we need to go to shopify.com, log in into our account, and once logged in, we should be able to access our dashboard. Now in the left panel here, you should see the sales channel, but what we need to do is access online store. Now under online store, what we need to do is navigate to preferences and click on it. And under preferences, just scroll down a bit until you see this section here that says password protect. Now in this case, if you have a plan active on your store, you have the option to disable and enable the option that says restrict access to visitors with password. So meaning if you actually enable the setting here and add a password, they won't be able to view your website if you have a password. Now meaning they need to enter the password for them to view that website. So in this case, you should be able to hide your website. But if you want to totally remove your website and just basically not have it appear whenever you enter the URL, what you need to do here is we need to go to our settings at the bottom left. And from here, we need to go to the plan section. And from here, just choose the option that says cancel trial or cancel plan. Now in this case, canceling your trial or canceling your plan would actually deactivate your site and will no longer be accessible by anyone. Now this is going to be something going to be kinda or semi-permanent, but you can still restore your store again if you really want to use it again. But in this case, that's how you hide your Shopify store from the public. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.